A new startup company is turning crab shells into a green industrial chemical. Tidal Vision, a green chemistry company founded by a former Alaskan fishing boat captain, is raising more investment to fuel growth. A new SEC filing reveals $46.7 million in fresh cash. Tidal Vision uses an environmentally friendly zero-waste process to turn discarded crab shells into a valuable industrial chemical called Chitosan. The material is something of a wonder ingredient and can be used in water purification, to preserve produce, to promote plant growth, as a flame retardant in fabrics, and in pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. It offers a safe alternative to toxic chemicals, metals, petroleum products, and pesticides used in industry. But what is Chitosan? According to Uncle Google, Chitosan is a sugar that comes from the outer skeleton of shellfish, including crab, lobster, and shrimp. It is used as medicine and in drug manufacturing. Chitosan is a fibrous substance that might reduce how much fat and cholesterol a body absorbs from foods. The company was a finalist in the Sustainable Innovation of the Year category at this week's Geek Wire Awards. Tidal Vision co-founder and CEO Chris Kasberg began his career as a commercial fisherman as a teen and ultimately captained his own boat. In this work, Kasberg was troubled by the industry's wasted byproducts that led him to see the potential for recycling waste crab shells into a high-value product. The empty shells are otherwise sent to landfills or can be used as a fertilizer or pet food ingredient. We're not only taking a problematic waste stream from the industry that I know and love and grew up in, but now we're able to turn it into something that really does good for the world, that displaces non-biodegradable toxins and heavy metals. Kasberg and Chief Strategy Officer Zach Wilkinson launched their startup in Bellingham, Washington in 2015. Last year, the company acquired Clearwater Services, an Everett, Washington-based business providing water cleaning devices and services. The company was an early customer for Tidal Vision's cleaning chemicals. Tidal Vision also has a production site in South Carolina, and next year plans to open a new facility in Texas. The startup has 186 employees and previously raised nearly $50 million according to PitchBook. And it appears there's room for more growth in the sector. The Chitosan market is worth an estimated $3.5 billion last year. The firm projected that the market could increase to $9.3 billion by 2033. Tidal Vision is the leading U.S. commercial producer of Chitosan. In addition to crab shells, Chitosan is also extracted from shrimp and lobster shells. Other U.S. manufacturers are mostly based in the Northeast. China is the biggest Chitosan producer globally, but manufacturers there typically use a process that creates toxic waste. This is very cool. I never heard of this before. It's always nice to see something that is normally thrown away go into something that can be used for anything, really. The fact that this can be used from everything from medicine to a flame retardant, a fertilizer, replace petrochemicals, replace pesticides. It's a pretty amazing product, that's for sure. Hopefully this company does good and keeps growing. It's nice to see a commercial fisherman step out of his comfort zone and do something else and make good on it. Good luck to them. Hopefully they get the capital they need to grow the business and keep employing more and more people. 186 employees is a pretty good start, I would think.